everybody, my name is Jen Jones. Gail Dobosz here. The new dance is called Future Glory, to the song Future Glory. It's a 4-wall beginner dance, no tags, no restarts. We're going to turn around and walk you through it. Weight begins on that right foot. So it is tap, step, recover, coaster, step, tap, tap, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, cross and cross, rock, recover, behind and cross. Paddle, a half, paddle, 3/4, and rock, recover, shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, walk, walk. All right, this time with the count. Wait again on that right. This is just a little different. Wait for the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it. We're going to turn this off now and we're going to demo it.